5 minus 5 gives us 0, and 10 minus 5 gives us 5, and 5 times 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, we have to solve all the parentheses before we move to exponent, and we have to solve all the exponent before we move to multiplication or division, and we have to solve multiplication or division before we solve addition or subtraction. If we solve addition or subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. We are violating the rule. And here we have the first priority, the second priority, the third priority, multiplication and division, which has same priority, and finally addition and subtraction has the same priority as well. So this is the order we need to follow in order to do consistent, in order to get consistent result in mathematics. So according to the rule, first we have to solve the problem inside the parentheses, right? So we are going to start with 5 minus 5, which is 0, and we are going to move to the other operation, but 5 minus 5 is 0, and the problem becomes 10 minus 5 parentheses 0. And now you know, most of you guys know that if a number is placed next to parentheses, that means multiplication, right? So this is basically mean 10 minus 5 times 0. We can just get rid of the parentheses because 0 is all by itself inside the parentheses, so we would have this problem. And now we should do the multiplication before the subtraction, because clearly multiplication has a higher priority than addition or subtraction, so we have to do it first. So 5 times 0 is 0, and 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. So the correct answer to this question is 10.